to the hip reel, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel, then up at the pinwheel, stay in the pinwheel, and now we'll add the extension, alternating right, then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, and it's coming across your body, back into the regular size pinwheel, bring it down into the hip reel, and then come to the front into the butterfly, out to the side in the iron cross, underhand opposite hip reel, then up top, pinwheel, down low, hip reel, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel. We'll do the extensions. These go out to the side, right, then left, then right, then left, right, then left, right, then left, then down to the hip reel, and up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel, up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel. Last time up, hold it up here, and extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. 2 more sets, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. Come down into the underhand butterfly, underhand thread the needle, and then butterfly, turn around to the left, 360. So you bring it out, turn away, an overhand butterfly turn, come back toward me, you're an underhand butterfly, thread the needle if you like. Now we're gonna turn to the right in the 360. So right turn, and go overhand away from me, come again around into underhand butterfly, and bring a drop stall out to the side, bring it back into overhand butterfly, turn to the left. We're gonna go into the 4-petal in spin flower. Left hand goes back, left hand goes front, right hand goes back. So side opposite right. We're going 4 times around, and 3 more times around, and 2 more times around. And then we'll do the last one, bottom, sides, top, sides, down, turn 360 to the right. You'll end up back where you were, then turn another 180, so 2 more turns, so you're facing the right side and side opposite left. Left hand is overhand, right hand is underhand. We're gonna do the 4-petal here. Left goes back, right, front, both go up, sides and down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. Bring it to the front, 360. From here, come back to the front, and then we'll turn 1 more 90 degrees to the left, side opposite right, 4-petal again. So right goes back, left goes front, both go up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. Now hold it here. Now just make the left one big, however many circles with the right you have to make, then make the right one big, then make the left one big, then make the right one big, then make the left one big, make the right one big, and then last set, left goes big, right goes big, and then we're gonna try and do both of them big at the same time for 4, 3, 2, 1, and back small, and then we'll repeat. So left goes big, 1, right goes big, 1, left goes big, 2, right goes big, 2, left goes big, 3, right goes big, 3, left for the 4th time, right for the 4th time. Now 4 of them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, come down, turn to the right, 360, and we'll add another 180, so we end up on the other side. And then left goes back, right goes front in the 4-petal, so sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down. Last time, sides, top, sides, down. Go big with your right, go big with your left, go big with your right, go big with your left, go big with your right, go big with your left, go big with your right, go big with your left. And now we're going to try both of them at the same time for 4, 3 more, 2 more, last one, and down, and then right goes big and down, left, big, down, right, big, down, left, big, down, right, and then left, and then last one right, last one left, and then both of them for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, down in circles, turning left 360, and then another 180 back to the other side, and then again 4-petal, 1, 2, 3, 2nd set, sides, top, sides, down, 3rd set, sides, top, sides, down, last set, sides, top, sides, down, and both arms big for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We're going back to the 4-petal flower, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Big for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Down, turn to the right, 360, and then another 180, so you end up on the other side, and 4 petal, sides, top, sides, down, 3 more flowers, sides, top, sides, down, 2 more flowers, top, sides, down, last one, sides, top, sides, down, and now the 0 petal for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and back to the 4 petal, so bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, down, and extension for 4 and 3 and 2. Use that Pilates, and last one, turning left, turning 360 plus the extra 180, ending on the other side. We'll do 2 4-petal flowers, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Now 2 extensions, so 2 giants, 1 and 2. Back to the 2-petal flower, back to the 4-petal, sorry, sides, top, sides, and down. Second time, sides, top, sides, down. Now the giant for 2 and 1, turning right 360, and then the extra 180 to end on the other side. And we're going to do the 4-petal flower for 2 times, and another time around, sides, top, sides, down. Now extension twice, and 2, back to the 4-petal, so sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down, and then extension, extension again, come down, turning left 360, plus the extra 180, ending on the other side. So we'll do 1 4-petal, and then we'll do 1 giant after, and we'll repeat that. So now do your giant, and now 4-petal, so sides, top, sides, down. Now giant, 2 more sets like this, sides, top, sides, down, giant, and then sides, top, sides, down, 1 more giant, and then we're going to do a right turn 360, bump, 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 extra 180, turn the other way. So same thing on this side, 4-petal, 2, 3, 4, and then giant all the way around, and then sides, top, sides, bottom, giant all the way around, petal on the bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, and giant, and then 4-petal last time, bottom, sides, top, sides, now giant all the way around, come back to front, overhand butterfly, and stall out, and woo.